Hey everybody! So just like Phoebe in Friends, I didn't even have a play for this one. No plan. And that was sad because it looked sad. I pulled out 6 watercolor pencils. These are Albrecht Dürer watercolor pencils. And I thought, okay, I'm going to do a cute little V end in my favorite color, orange. And then I'm going to add some flowers. You know, just easy breezy, so simple. And not far into it, I realized this sucks. I should have planned, but I wasn't in the mood to plan. I didn't have that much time. I just kind of wanted to be, I don't know, stress-free. And what I ended up doing was causing myself more stress. It was just ridiculous. So I continued with this, and then I soon realized I hated it. And then I pulled out the acrylic gouache and rescued it. And even when I pulled out the acrylic gouache, I still didn't have a plan. But, you know, it looks better in gouache. I recently discovered that acrylic gouache can cover up a page that you don't really like. And I am so thankful that I found that, because while I want my sketchbooks to be easy and, you know, I want to embrace the wonkiness and such, because it's all for fun, it doesn't mean I want an ugly page in my sketchbook. So I'm really happy that I figured out that I could cover up a page that I don't love. In fact, I'm leaving things that I don't love, but when I hate it, I'm covering it up, and it's freeing. I'm very happy that I found that. So this is me struggling, but very soon it'll all be better. Very soon I will also have a sketchbook flip through. I will go through this and show you each page, the good, the bad, the ugly, and the lovely. And yeah, this is it. I thank you so much for joining me. I'm very happy you're here, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.